was talking to one archery athlete. She said, "Thank you. I've been waiting for this for the last 20 years."
Sir, ano sa tingin mo? I know you have a lot of priorities and immediate applications. What do you think are, well, I know there's so many immediate, but what do you think is one thing that will really make an immediate change and impact?
Well, first of all, we announced the increase of across the board allowance for athletes. Number two, yung talagang yung facilities we need to improve right away. Number three, yung mga pending lang, uniforms, food, all of that, immediate, low hanging.
Okay, Sir Bambol, I wanted to ask you, what does this mean for the Philippine Olympic Committee to have, to see all those goals and all the priorities of the PSC right now?
That's very important to us with that direction, especially as I've said, harmony and unity. That's sports.
As the Philippine
It's like music.
As the Philippine Olympic Committee, ano yung pinaka-kailangan yung support from the PSC, sir?
Of course, as PSC is mandated financially, they have to support all NSAs, not only in their daily, but in their trainings and especially hostings. Very important yung hostings. Doon tayo nakikilala sa hostings.
That's super exciting, the hosting of international competition.
Yes.
I know everybody has a lot of questions, but for me right now, one more. The Southeast Asian Games is immediately coming, sir. So what can you tell us about the prep of the athletes? What are some of the things that you might be doing different to get them better, ready, and fit for battle to get more goals?
Well, first of all, ako confident ako dyan. Because when I was POC Secgen, na-realize ko, nakita ko kung paano mag-prepare si Kong Bambol, si President Bambol. Sa line-up, sinong kalaban, sinong tatapatan, very strategic ang pag-plot niya sa Southeast Asian Games. Kami, kung anong training ang kailangan, kung anong coach ang kailangan, then we prepare for that. Kanina, we just finished our board meeting. I saw a lot of requests because of the Southeast Asian Games. Pag nakita ko Southeast Asian Games, yes, kagad yan. We will not hesitate.
So sir, pwede pa ba mag-request yung mga athletes for ang pinaka-importante, syempre, international exposure before the Southeast Asian Games?
Yes, if we, alam mo, pina-prioritize naman namin yung training. It is the best time. Meaning wala namang ibang pupuntahan niya kundi they train so they can compete well. So all of that, we take into consideration immediately.
Sir, since nandito na kayo, yung prediction nyo, yung calculation nyo sa SEA Games, di ba?
This is our biggest-
Anong goal natin?
I think these are biggest delegations
Really?
games.
How many, sir?
1,600 plus. Why? Because there's a lot of team events.
Can you mention?
Team events like
ones?
floorball, futsal, they're new. Cheerleading, basketball, of course, volleyball, hockey, even winter sports nandyan.
The SEA Games?
Yes.
I like, yeah, I know.
Meron yung additional na allowance sa kukunin yung
Sa PSC po.
pero kaya naman
Kaya po, sinigurado ko po yun. And like what I've said, the 5,000 across the board for all athletes and coaches, that is 10 million a month. What is 10 million a month for the welfare of our athletes and our coaches? There's a lot of them still receiving 10,000 pesos a month. Paano ka naman po mabubuhay sa 10,000 pesos a month? Sinangguni ko yan kay President Bambol, sabi ko. And sabi ko nga rin sa mga kaibigan nating congressman na leaders ng NSA, tulungan nyo ako rito. Kasi mahirap depensahan na maraming atleta, 10,000. Di distracted sila because they lack that. So, yung sinet aside natin na budget na yan, magre-reallocate tayo. But that is a very small amount sa kaligayahan, sa kumpiyansa, tsaka sa motivation na bibigay natin sa mga atleta.
So now it's now 15,000. 10,000 a month na yan.
No, 5,000 across the board.
So 5,000 across the board will be magiging dating allowance nila is
15,000.
15.
Yung ibang atleta. Meaning, marami kasing levels yan. Yeah, so across the board, para wala nang problema ano.
Even yung pinakamataas na 5,000.
I think kaya ng Pagcor yan. So, ibabawas lang ulit nila sa re-remit ng Pagcor sa PSA.
Sir, what's our goal for SEA Games in terms of racing kaya with that biggest delegation? Seeing the competition.
Well, to maintain the past standing, okay na yun. Yeah. Kasi hindi papayag ang Thailand.
Yeah.
So, nakita ko yung number of delegation, halos 2,000 din ng Indonesia, 2,000 din ng Malaysia, 2,000 ng Thailand. So, mababa pa pala tayo, 1,600.
Thank you.
Sir,
Yan.
final message na lang for the athletes.
Well, I hope you're happy. We're here to make you happy. And this is the teamwork that we need. Philippine sports para mas malayo ang marating. The last two Olympics, nakita nyo naman yung nagawa ng Philippine Olympic Committee. So, we're here to support para madagdagan pa yung ginto natin. I think yun ang pinaka-objective.
we need.
God bless po.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank